Well, hello. It's Tuesday, third week, and it's the 31st. And so we're going to have a puzzle here. It says, write the letter of each answer. We'll find the mean, median, and mode. Remember, the mean is the sum divided by how many. Whereas the median is order, low to high, and then you find the middle. And last of all, the mode is simply the most frequent. Which happens the most. All right, so here's number one. I'm going to do the odd numbers for us. And so the first thing we need to go ahead, might as well just put them in order. We can add them all up. We'll find the mean first. And 4 is 8, 10, 17, 18, 20, 23, 27, 37, 45. Divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divided by 9 equals 5. These numbers look awfully familiar. But they're not. Okay. Now we're going to find the median. And we got to put them in chronological order. And so we can certainly make ourselves a chart which is the 2, 3, 4, like that. There's only 5 of them, so let's go ahead and just find out the smallest one, which is 1. We're going to forget about this. 1, and cross it off. There's 1, 2 2s, and there's a 3 there. There's 1, 2, 3 4s. 1, 2, 3 4s. 1, 2, 3 4s. And is there any 5s? No, but there's a 7 and 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so we're looking pretty good there. All right, so we'll find the median. So remember, there's going to be halfway. There's 4 in the bottom. And there's 4 numbers on top. So right in the middle is going to be this number right here. So the median equals 4. So that's the very number in the middle. Once again, as long as I have in chronological order, smallest to largest, there is an odd number. So therefore, I'm going to find the first 4, the last 4, and the middle. So that's that. And now the mode is whatever happens the most, and we can tell that there are more 4s than anything else. There's 4s and there's 2 2s, but the mode is 4. So that's it. So that's all we're going to do there. And so write the letter of each answer in the box containing the exercise number. So number 1, L is mean is 5, which is right. Median is 4, mode is 4, so whatever one gets an L. Put an L down here. I don't know if you can see that way down the bottom here. All right. Here's number 3. And this is 3, 31, 20. So I'll know which matches up. All right, so this one here is a few numbers, so we'll use our handy-dandy calculator. Makes life a little easier. And so we're just going to type in our numbers. 8 plus 35 plus 12 plus 23 plus 16 plus 26 plus 21 plus 35 and hit enter. It's 176, so 176 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just do divided by 8 equals 22. All right, next thing we need to do is go ahead and put them in order. And so our numbers are 8, 35, 12, 23, 16, 21, and 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm missing one. 8, 35, 12, 23, 16. Oh, I need a 26. All right. So we'll put them in order. These are my 1s, my 2s, my 3s. And that's all I'm going to need. And of course we need an 8. So 8's my first one. And 35, I put a 5 there, comma, 12, 2, comma there, 23, 2 is my starting number, 3 is my second, 16, 1 and a 6, 21, 35. Oh, there's 2 35s. Interesting. Or you see that, looks like it's probably the mode, and 26. So we got 8, and then we have 12, then we got 16, and we got 31, 33. Is there a 33? That's not 33. That's 21. I'm sorry. 21, 23, and 26. Now 35 twice. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of them. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my bottom 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it was 8. So, and there's my top 4. So what I would do is I add numbers 4 plus number 5 and divide by 2. And so it's going to be 21 plus 23 divided by 2. That equals 44 divided by 2 equals 22. So my median equals 22. Now we can see already from our stem and leaf that 35 is going to be our mode. So mode equals 35 because this happens most frequently. All right, so we're looking for 22, 22, and 35. So 22, 22, and 35 is S, so number 3 gets an S. Hopefully you can see that. You should be able to. Okay. Here's number 5. We're going to find the value of X. It's a missing number. So the mean is 10. So that means we add them all up and we equals 10. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. That equals 10. So we know this total here has to be 60. Because 60 divided by 6 equals 10. So we know that's true. So I know that 6, 4, 13, 3, 10, and some value X equals 60. So wow. I was doing the wrong one. I was doing number 4. I meant number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. 6 numbers divided by 6 equals 16. 2 equals 16. This number here has to be a value. So in other words, 16 times 6 is 96. (96) divided by 6 equals 16. I know that. So I got to find the median. Median is in order is 16. Oh, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So therefore, we know that 14 plus x divided by 2 equals 16. Okay? No, we don't know that. We know that the average of these two, because this is my third, and that's my fourth, that's my fifth, my sixth. So my two middle numbers added together. So I'm going to take these two here and add them together. Divided by 2 equals 16. So easy way to figure this out is go ahead and reverse order of operations. Instead of dividing by 2, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And therefore, 14 plus x equals 32. Subtract 14 from both sides because I want to find out what x equals, and x equals, and I'm going to guess this is 8. No, it's going to be 18. It makes sense. 18 falls between 14 and 22 is 18 right there. And we know that 14 plus 18 divided by 2 equals 16, because 32 divided by 2 equals 16. And so that's a true statement. So we're good to go. The answer is x equals 18. And 18 happens to be looks like letter L. I don't know, maybe they're all capitalists, and I. So 18, number 5 is going to be an I. Alrighty. Okay, here's number 7. And once again, we're finding the median. So it means that this number here, we got to find this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 numbers, so therefore these two together are the upper half, and these two are the bottom half. So I can say that 55 plus x divided by 2 equals 61. Alrighty. Just like the previous problem, you can simplify this by multiplying both sides by 2. So therefore, 55 plus x equals 122, because 60 and 60 is 120, and 2 times 1 is 2. Now I'm going to do is to subtract 55 from both sides and find that x equals. And I don't have this one figured out, so 122 minus 55 equals 67. So to prove this, I'd say that 55 plus 67 divided by 2 has to equal 61. So 67 plus 55 equals 122. 122 divided by 2 equals 61. And it's true.